Good morning, happy campers. I think it's day 25, isn't it? What is it? Yeah, day 25, May 26th. The birds are singing. The sun is out today. I think there's a 30% chance of some showers, but that's not bad. So, we had our 0 day yesterday, second one this week. Unexpected, but it worked out well. We went into Walmart, caught an Uber ride in. We got some silicone spray for the tents and all the rain gear because we had some leakage problems in our tent and we didn't want to be out in the rain again until we got that fixed. So we spent the afternoon spraying all the tents and all the rain gear. I got that done. And then we just kind of chilled the rest of the day. So we're rested up and ready to go. We're going to hike 12.5 miles today, trying to pick up the pace to Pine Knob shelter. And I'm sure the trails are going to be full of mud and water, but that's all part of the trail. So that's about it here. This campground is really nice. The Treehouse campground. We got a bunch of cabins. No electricity. Ours had 2 beds and a picnic table, or a table and benches, and a wood stove. It actually had windows in it. I wanted to stay in a tree house, but the tree houses just had screens for the windows. They didn't have the wood stove. And it's been kind of cool, so we thought, yeah, let's take advantage. So we bought some wood and had fire both nights. It's kind of nice. I highly recommend this place. If you like camping and you want to get away, they're open year-round. You can come here and camp in the wintertime in one of the cabins. A real nice guy named Nick owns it. He and his wife and children live here. So, real nice place. Anyway, so we're going to hit the trail, see if we can get 12 miles in today. Maybe stop. There's a restaurant just off the trail. Along the way, we might stop there and have a lunch. But other than that, it's just tromping down the trail today. So that's it for now. I'll catch you down the trail. Looking out over Maryland in the rain. Let it rain. This is the original Washington Monument, built by the townspeople of Boonesboro back in, I think, 1824. Cool. It's a beautiful view way out there. Let's go have a look.
Quite the view up here.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Sometimes the trail, which we came out over there by that sign, goes right through a residential area. Look at this, going right between people's yards. Isn't that cool? The guy's out mowing his lawn.
You never know where the trail's going to take you. We are now crossing Interstate 70. This is eastbound going into Washington, D.C. And if you can see on the other side, there's westbound coming out of Washington, D.C. I don't have to deal with that traffic anymore on the trail. Kind of drives me crazy. Anyway, we're almost to our campsite. I've driven under this bridge many times, and I've seen the Appalachian Trail. Never thought I'd ever be hiking across it, but it's kind of cool.